Hey there DIYers and YouTubers out there. Today I'm going to show you how to go live streaming on YouTube with your GoPro 12. Stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, we're going to stream from our GoPro 12 and we're going to stream it onto YouTube, live stream it. And so here I'll just show you what I have. I have my GoPro 12 Black with the media mod on it. I've got a Comico wireless microphone, and then I've also got the Volta power pack. That's also a tripod, but I'm just using it for the power pack right now. So anyway, so we're going to live stream from this GoPro onto YouTube, and then we'll see how well it does. So what you need is an internet connection, either via a hotspot or a Wi-Fi connection for your phone, because it is what's going to then actually upload that video to YouTube. So it's not the camera itself. The camera is actually doing it via your phone. On your phone, you need to open up your GoPro Quick app, and then over here at the bottom you hit the fourth icon, which is GoPro, and then here you can see I've already got my GoPro synced up, so there it is, shows it's connecting. Okay, so now we're connected, and now in order to do the streaming, up here in the upper right hand corner you got this 3 ellipses. You click on that, and then here it gives you some options. We want to hit the live stream, hit live stream. So then here you can see it gives you options to do GoPro, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, and other. So if you have like your own RTMP server or other type of connectivity for that. So we're going to do YouTube, so we'll go ahead and click on the YouTube. And then the sun's glaring, so I'm trying to keep that off. So now it wants to connect to my home Wi-Fi connection. And if I didn't want this, scan, let's decline that. If we didn't want to connect to the my home Wi-Fi, like if we were out and about and I wanted to use my cell phone, I would hit cancel, and then I'd select my hotspot from the phone and go with that, or whatever other hotspot or Wi-Fi connection that you have available. But for this, I'm going to go ahead and connect to my homestead Wi-Fi connection. So you can see here it's connecting to network, and we're good there. And so now here the share to, so it's on public or unlisted, so you can have either. I'm going to go ahead and go public, and then the title, streaming live from my GoPro. So I'll just leave that, and you can put a description if you want. And again, once this video is uploaded, you can go to your editing and you can change some of this information. You can even give it a little graphic, choose that. So then here the resolution is 1080p. You can do 720 or 480. We'll do the 1080p, try to go with the highest. The lens, we'll go with linear. You got super view or wide, we'll just stay with linear. And then you have your option of saving this onto the SD card, which I don't want to, and I'm using my Primitive Guy account. And from here we'll go ahead and click continue, and now we are ready to go live. It's activated the camera is ready to go live. So now if I hit go live, okay, so we are now recording, and so this shows it's recording. It shows the streaming health is good and shows we're live. The camera's showing that it's live, it's recording. So at this point I can go ahead and show you. This is from my back deck. This is the view I have here in Georgia. We're up pretty high in elevation. You see a bird soaring up over there a little bit, and there's the river. It was pretty well flooded during Hurricane Helene, and it's back down to about normal, but I'm sure it washed a lot of part of my river, my bank away. Keep losing it, erodes away. And anyway, so this is This is a view from my deck, and this is just an example of what the live streaming does. And there's my shed I'm working on. I'm about done with that, so look forward to another video there of my going through getting that completed. There's actually 2 sheds that I put together to make it just one longer one. But anyway, I'm about ready to grill out some brats. There's a couple brats we had left. So I've got those, getting ready to split those and put those on the grill. Get some food in my belly and I'll be happy. Anyway, so this is how you stream, and I'm sure this is going to turn out pretty decent. Be interesting to see how well this video actually looks. But if you like what I've done here as far as the demonstration, appreciate you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification for upcoming videos that I produce. And until next time, we'll see you and stay safe. Put that down. So now to stop this, we're going to hit that. And now we're done streaming. And there I can either view this on YouTube, I'll just say done, and then I'll just go in on my computer just to check it out. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and get my grilling started and go ahead and start editing this video. So.